Hello everyone, and welcome to our video on surviving the apocalypse. In today's world, the idea of an apocalypse can seem more relevant than ever before. Whether it's a pandemic, natural disaster, or societal collapse, being prepared for the worst can mean the difference between life and death. In this video, we will discuss some tips and strategies for surviving the apocalypse. Let's get started. Food and water. First things first, food and water are essential for survival. You should have at least 3 days worth of food and water stored in a safe location. If possible, store non-perishable items that do not require refrigeration or cooking. This will help to ensure that you have a reliable food source in the event of an emergency. First aid kit. In addition to food and water, a well-stocked first aid kit is essential for survival. Your kit should include bandages, antiseptic, pain relievers, and other necessary medical supplies. Be sure to regularly check and update your kit to ensure that everything is up to date and in working order. Shelter. Shelter is another important aspect of survival. In the event of an apocalypse, you may need to leave your home or find a new place to stay. You should have a plan in place for where you will go and how you will get there. Consider creating a bug-out bag that contains necessary items for survival, such as a tent, sleeping bag, and other necessary equipment. Self-defense. Unfortunately, in the event of an apocalypse, you may encounter dangerous situations. It's important to be prepared to defend yourself and your loved ones. Consider taking self-defense classes or investing in self-defense equipment, such as pepper spray or a firearm. However, be sure to follow all legal guidelines and safety protocols. Community support. Lastly, community support can be invaluable during an apocalypse. Building relationships with your neighbors and local community can help to ensure that you have a support system in place. Consider joining or creating a community group that focuses on emergency preparedness. In conclusion, surviving the apocalypse requires careful planning and preparation. By ensuring that you have a reliable food and water source, a well-stocked first aid kit, a plan for shelter, self-defense capabilities, and a strong community support system, you can increase your chances of surviving a disaster. Remember, being prepared for the worst can mean the difference between life and death. Thank you for watching.